Welcome back to another unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series, and this is the first DoubleDown ShowDown 2-pack that I'm going to be reviewing. And we get a new truck that has never been released in the Hot Wheels version, and it is Storm Damage, and the other one is Blue Thunder. So we're going to take a look at both of them. They are true metal, and there is that awesome Monster Jam authentic sticker up here in the right hand corner. On the back it says High Octane Face Off, each sold separately subject to availability. This one is Dragon versus Jester, and it is 1/64 scale. Collect them all. I already have these, so I'll be unboxing a lot of stuff. Storm Damage has the BKT tires. All of them do. I don't think I have to say that anymore in my videos. Now this comes with a blue chassis and roll cage. There is that awesome looking, it's not awesome, but it sets off the chassis from everything else, and I think that's where also I call it where the sponsors would be on, right there on that silver on the truck. So let's bring it up close. Storm Damage, it has a Monster Jam logo. Very nice looking die-cast truck. In the front we get a grill and also kind of like lights also. It's very hard because it's black anyways. There's the driver in the seat. I wonder if that's a die-cast driver or if he's just plastic in there. But on the other side, Storm Damage. See the motor inside. So that's Storm Damage. Nice. Let's go ahead and get out Blue Thunder. Looking good. If you just saw my unboxing and review of the starter set of the Monster Blue Thunder set, you'll see that Blue Thunder had dirt tires, but it also had blue wheels, or the blue beadlock rims also. And I think one of the things that would have looked nice with this, as far as this does look nice as a die-cast truck, that they should have put the blue wheels and rims on this truck instead of just having it gray like that. Here's Blue Thunder up close. Monster Jam on the back. I like how they have the lights now. Feel the energy. There's the motor in the back of the truck. Very cool. On the other side. And on the front there we have the grille and the lights. So that's awesome to have that. See the driver in there. Pretty cool and up top. Thank you for tuning in to the DoubleDown ShowDown 2-pack of Storm Damage and Blue Thunder here on Monster Truck Classics. And there will be more of the 2-packs coming your way, so stay on the lookout for the unboxings of those. Thank you for tuning in.